Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix YouTube error 403 on iPhone. So let's jump to the process. First, make sure that your YouTube application is updated. For this, tap on App Store on your device. Now here, tap on search icon present at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar present at the top. Now type in YouTube. Then tap on search option present on your keyboard. Now here you'll be able to find YouTube option, tap on it. Now if you haven't updated your YouTube application, you'll be able to find update option, tap on update, then wait for few seconds till your application gets updated. Once it's done, tap on open option and look whether the error has been removed or not. If not, go to your settings on your phone. Now here, tap on General option. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and look for YouTube. Then tap on YouTube. Now here you can see Offload App option. Tap on it. Then again tap on Offload App. After this, your YouTube application gets offloaded. Now here you'll be able to find Reinstall App option. Tap on it. Now wait for few seconds till your application gets reinstalled. Once it's done, you can tap on YouTube application and look whether the error has been removed or not. If not, once check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is strong. This is how we can fix YouTube error 403 on iPhone. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.